Today we are going to learn our simple slider crank chain mechanism. So friends, crank chain mechanism, that simple slider, we have the one example of IC engine. Here we have the cylinder. In cylinder there is a piston, crank, OB and connecting rod AB it is given. In IC engine the combustion will be occurs here and the pressure it is generates. Due to this pressure, pistons move downward direction with a reciprocating moments, and this reciprocating moments we convert into rotary moment as a mechanical work with help of the crank OB and AB. Now here the center of the crank O and your slider point A both are on same vertical axis, so we call as a simple slider crank chain mechanism. Now today the problem statements, we have the crank OB 40 mm radius and the length of connecting rod BA 120 mm, and it is our simple slider crank chain mechanism. It means the center of the crank O and our slider point A both are on same horizontal axis. So let me start our problem for graphical presentation. Now first we draw our 40 mm radius of the circle, and we show the points B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, and your your circle radius R is equal to 40 mm. Now it is revolving, your crank it is revolving in clockwise direction. Now we have the length of the connecting rod 120 mm. So I take the radius 120 mm. Center first position of the crank B1, and I draw the arc on same central line which is passed from our point O. Here you can get your A1 points. Now join your B1 A1 with a straight line. And you have the midpoint on connecting rod BA. So what I do, I take the 60 mm radius, keeping B1 as a center. Now I draw the arc on same position of connecting road B1 A1, where I get the first middle point M1. Similarly, you choose your second position of the crank B2 as a radius center. You can draw the arc on same horizontal line. Here you have the A2 point. Join your B2 A2 with a straight line. Mark your middle point on second position with center B2, radius 60 mm. You can draw the arc on B2 A2. We have the M2 points. Similarly, exercise, you can apply all the points. So I go for B3 as a center. I draw the arc. So exactly we get at the A1. So I mark the A3 point here. Then I join the B3 A3. The next step, B3 is a center, 60 mm radius, and we are going to our midpoint M3. Now you do the exercise for all the B1 position and mark your respective end point, midpoint on connecting road M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8. Then after you can join all the points with the smooth curves. M1, M2, M3, then M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M1. You can get your elliptical shape as a locus of midpoint M on connecting road CRAB. Then after you can mark your dimensioning line. So I can show the one part with a dark line. So I make the dark O1B. We already saw the radius, but how to show your dimensioning of connecting road? So I take the B line parallel to the B1 A1. And the perpendicular dimension marking here. And you can write here CR connecting road 120 mm. Similarly, you can mark your point, middle point M, and you can draw the line as a dimensioning, and you can write the 60 mm. So friends, this is our simple slider crank chain mechanism.